Hello JR, Ra. I'm making this short video to show you in more detail how the HSS software can be expanded into a sales, marketing, and business development platform. This is something that I really was not able to pursue at Takeo because I had a responsibility just to promote and talk about Takeo products. But in a month, we will be able to really test the limits of this application because we can now use it and leverage its capabilities to promote and include all of Yates products in the design schematic. So what I've done, just as an example, I've under File, I've created a Yates folder. So templates could be made of various types of systems that you see on a regular basis. I created a Yates snow melt system, and I put in this snow melt system into the folder. So this has a generic boiler, steel piping, and the first thing I would do is change this boiler to be a Burnham boiler. So I can double left click on the boiler, go to selection, and I can input Burnham boiler. It's model 123. And apply or save, and now that information shows up on the schedule sheets in the bill of materials. I can add the cost of the boiler. Let's say it's $25,000. I can add the labor if I talk to a contractor on what it costs to install it. Hit apply, and then I can go to the Burnham website and copy a URL and add links to photos, the cut sheets, spec sheets, installation guides. Any digital information can be linked right behind the image. I can put a text on the screen, and so it says Burnham boiler on the screen. And I can make it a little bigger so it's easy to see and change the color. So we want it to stand out, so we make it red. So now I've got a nice label. It stands out for the boiler, and I can change the piping to Aquatherm pipe, and this is how easy it can be done in the software. I highlight everything, double left click, go to piping, construction. Here's the default standard steel, and now I'm going to change it to Aquatherm 17.6, and I push OK. So in a very short period of time, I've customized this schematic. Let's say we used it on a project a few months ago, and we have another option with Aquatherm pipe, Burnham boiler, Takeo pumps, and products. I go to the expansion tank. Again, the selections for Takeo are really seamless. Select. I can add cost for that expansion tank and links to spec sheets. And that's how the software can be leveraged as a sales, marketing, and business development tool. If I want to send this to someone, I can create a PDF file. I can turn the annotations on and off. So if I just wanted a very clean line drawing, I can change the color of the schematic quite easily. So if I wanted a black and white, a grayscale look. Some people like a black and white line drawing. So these are some of the options. Again, I've turned off all the information so no one can see it, but if I wanted to turn it all back on, it's that easy to do that. Okay, thanks. Look forward to talking to you on the phone. See ya.